Hi, this is Frank Lefebvre, founder of On Fire to Retire. Today we're going to talk about how to use PayPal in CoinPayments as things get tougher in the U.S. for network marketing businesses. PayPal sure doesn't like us. Payza has been shut down by the U.S. government. Payeer is banned in the U.S. Perfect Money is banned in the U.S. Solid Trust Pay went over to strictly Bitcoin. So you're seeing less and less options to do business. Now, I've steered away from coin payments and cryptocurrency, but in many cases, that's the only way we can buy and sell, which is the reason I stayed away from it. But you don't have to use or buy any Bitcoin to use coin payments. We're going to show you how to do it. Now, we're here in real live time. We're upgrading. This is a one-time offer, so I'm only going to see this page once. And I'm saving $70 by upgrading to a lifetime platinum membership in the Elite Tigers Group latest site. And I'll have that link below. And I'll also have the link to coin payments. Like I said, you don't have to buy any coins or pay any money here. So let's do this. Stripe is credit card payment. It's pretty straightforward. You just enter your credit card and go. To use PayPal, we're going to click on Coin Payments. If you want to open a Coin Payments account, I'll have the link below. I'm not logged in, so I'm just going to fill this out. Now you can pay by any Bitcoin or cryptocurrency that you have. Now here's the hidden part. And clear at the bottom, you can use PayPal. It has nothing to do with any Bitcoins. It's just an option that you can pay through Coin Payments using PayPal. Your checkout is now complete. All that remains is to complete your payment with PayPal. And you log into your PayPal account. Okay, and here you can see what you're buying. This is Convert Ads Pro. I'll have the link below. $27. And you can pay with your PayPal balance or your linked checking account or linked credit or debit card. So we're going to use our PayPal balance. Okay, now you always return to merchant so that you're credited for that purchase. Okay, then we're going to proceed to go VIP and earn 90% commissions. We love those high commission sites. And we're going to save more money here. We're going to save $60 here, so we're going to do it again. And since we're in real time and we're on a one-time offer page, this would be a good chance to review what we just did by doing it again. So you click on Coin Payments, and Dawud Islam has a 100% feedback rating. So if you want a reputable home business that pays high commission, this is it. We'll have the link below. So again, you can pay by Bitcoin. Scroll to the very bottom. There's a kind of a hidden PayPal button down there. Complete checkout using PayPal. So we're buying. Convert Ads Pro. Pay with PayPal balance. Pay now. We'll always return to merchant. First time you log in, access 1, 2, 3. We're not going to save them right now because we're going to change our password. Now to get paid, you can enter your Coin Payments merchant ID. And look, I'm VIP. I got 701,000 credits to buy ads. Click here to continue. Now here's where you change your password. And now I can save it. I want to add my username here. Last time I checked, I had 127 passwords. Okay, we'll watch this later. But when you join one of these Tiger Elite programs, and you want to join all of them if you can, first thing you want to do is fill out your profile, add your picture, edit your details, put your profile links in there, upload your picture, get your bonuses, and as a VIP, you're going to earn 90% commission. See, we got this one for 27 and we got this one for 37. Okay, I'll have the links below. Thanks for watching.